Welcome to Python Quiz. Are you ready to challenge your Python skills and learn while having fun? Let's get started. In each episode, you'll face a series of multiple choice questions. Here's how it works. For easy questions, you'll have 5 seconds to answer. For medium questions, you'll have 10 seconds. And for hard questions, you'll have 15 to 20 seconds. These are questions inspired by Google's coding interviews. Time to prove you're up for the challenge. Think fast, stay sharp, and let's dive into our first question. Great job, everyone. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz and want more challenges, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Check out our other videos for more Python challenges and tips. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today on Python Quiz. Keep coding, keep learning, and see you in the next video.